In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your iPhone speaker not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, let's say, you're on a call or anything like that, you're listening to music, but your speakers, the sound from it is too low. The first thing I want you to do is make sure to check the little area where your speakers are on your iPhone and make sure they're not, clogged up with dirt. That's the very first thing I want you to do. Then swipe down in the bottom right of your screen, which is going to bring up your control panel, and make sure your volume is actually turned up. You can even go through like the different settings and make sure it's turned on for like different things. If you hold it down, you can have like a more accurate scale as well if you want to. Next thing I want you to do is go over here to the top left. Make sure your Bluetooth isn't connected to like, external headset or a car or your AirPods or anything like that, because that might be why you're either just not getting sound or the sound's not coming through properly. Then after that, what I want you to do is go to your settings application. From here, scroll down until you find sounds and haptics. So just click on that and make sure you're not on silent mode, because if you're on silent mode, your phone calls aren't going to be ringing or anything like that. You can then just change, the level of volume for like your ringtone and alerts just as such. You can also change it with your buttons as well. Then also the built-in speaker, you can have a volume limit, so you can limit the maximum volume for your speaker, and you want to crank it up all the way to 90%. I think by default, when you turn on that setting, it's like 50% or 60%. So you want to change it to 90% if you want to as well. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.